short fat one in there
Yeah.
too. Oh, wait, there's a chair at that too.
Hey, okay. I guess we got some problems with them guys.
Yeah. Yeah, we're...
Hey,
Hey, what?
wanna get out and fight with us?
Let's fight.
If I have to.
Come on, get the fucking
It's
ass
on
up.
the chair.
Sweet, I need a fucking chair.
Yeah! Motherfucker!
Sweet. Thanks for giving us the chair, by the way.
Come on, what are you gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Give us a
Stab this in somewhere you won't want it.
Go ahead, try it.
Are you serious?
Go ahead.
What if I shoot him in the head with this fucking like look at him ducking already from that.
Look, he's such a bitch. This is all you dolls. Have fun. This is my stick.
I need to
Watch out, you're gonna knock the camera over.
Oh my god!
What is that made out of, by the way?
I don't know, Megan, let me see it, I can tell.
Megan, it's a stick. Get away from it.
Megan! Whose toy is it?
I don't know. I think it was Martinez. I think he left it here.
There was a second one, and they're both broken.
Fuck him up. Stab him in the heart. Kill it with a stick. Oh my god, this I can't believe we went through all this shit to do this tonight.
Baby, can I see this, please? I
No,
need
oh, what shit?
Yo, come on now.
You went through so much shit right now.
What?
This looks like a real sword, right?
I think it's supposed to be.
Oh my god! I'm thinking this was like a shield cap. And I'm like, on guard, one of those like long pointy ones. I'm thinking, oh my god, this right
Wow,
here
it's...
is the entire sword! I'm an idiot! Oh my god! Now I'm really gonna beat you with this fucking stick! Beat one! No! I will stab you in the face!
Go ahead,
stab it.
Stab you in the face!
I have a piece of styrofoam and you're running.
After just beating me in the fucking heart!
Damn. Shit.
Oh my fucking god! Oh my god, what do you think this is, Lord of the Rings?
Oh!
Did I actually get him?
Oh.
You got that? Oh my god, it broke on his head! It didn't break out. Yes, it did. Look, it's not as big anymore. You broke it on his head. Yeah, we have a champion second. Ow! Yeah! Okay, yeah.
You completely missed.
We fucked him up. I got him on the head with the stick.
Broke the stick on his fucking head like this.
I snapped it on his head. We think it broke somewhere.
Yeah, it broke on my head.
Stop assaulting people on the porch.
That was the plan. Hello? Get fucking it up.
Yeah.
You know, we were playing ahead of this time. We're fucking niggas up like we said we would. Huh?
Yeah, they are.
See? What?
That went well.
Give me one of those. Give me one. Look at this. Hold on, take this. Take this. Shit, it didn't work. Kill it! I really like her anyway. Kill her! What the fuck? Get her! Not me! Get her! Oh my fucking god!
Do you want it?
No.
What are you gonna do with these?
Oh wait.
Hmm? Interview them. Interview them!
You interview him on tape. Okay. Get the stick. You need a stick to the interview.
Get the fuck. Give me that fucking styrofoam thing right now, please. Now. Damn it. Now.
She's a microphone.
I need get my stick. Can you hand me my styrofoam? This is fucking ridiculous.
Get it? Roadkill.
Thanks.
Sorry, can't hear you.
Okay, go. Go.
Thank you, Megan. Right now, I'm here in Orlando, Florida, filming
This
the
is
Disney
Rhode
characters.
Island, you dumb shit.
Hello, you.
We are in
It's a
Johnston.
little cold to be Orlando, Florida.
You are ruining my joke. I'm kind of making it.
Okay. Okay, have fun. Do it. Go ahead.
Sorry. We are filming here from Orlando, Florida. Filming here for the Disney characters. We've got Peter Pan, and we've got Robin Hood over
Or it's
here.
roadkill, but
And how are you feeling,
Wait.
Peter Pan?
Peter Pan and roadkill.
Oh, you're feeling great.
Roadkill.
Oh
Wait,
my God,
do
are you
it
ready to
again. Do
fly
it again. Do
away?
it again.
I'm feeling great.
Are you wow, he's retarded. Down syndrome boy.
Down syndrome boy.
Okay.
And roadkill.
How are you feeling, Robin Hood?
It's
you
roadkill.
He kind of actually, you look more like a Robin Hood, and you look more like Peter Pan.
He looks like Peter
Peter
Pan.
Pan. Peter Pan. Peter Pan. Oh my God. You know what?
Don't poke me, you
Where's-
bastard. He poked me.
Where's Tinkerbell?
Kill him. Oh my God, get him with a stick. Give me a stick. Give me a stick.
You know,
Give
you
me
get
a
it.
stick.
Think you can poke me with?
That's all I really want to know.
Oh, don't
That's
poke
all I
me.
really want to know
Don't poke me.
is where is Tinkerbell?
Tinkerbell.
Don't hit my fucking microphone. It costs $1,000 bucks.
Good one, Todd.
Stop laughing,
Good one,
roadkill.
2,000.
Ah,
Give me the stick.
double,
Give me the
please.
stick.
Give me the
What?
stick.
Give me the stick.
I guess I got $2,000. You know what? Your mom.
You won't give me the stick.
Free off the street.
Need a stick?
You know what? I've got no stick.
Can I have a stick now? Can I please have it now?
Crack a J. Don't fucking forget it.
Let's take a
This
this little
get
punk.
creamed in a crack.
This is what we will kill him with. This is what we're going to. Oh wait, this is our destruction cup. We're gonna hit the kid with it.
Okay.
We brought these kids here. Hello.
Oh, I like him. How you doing?
What's up? We're fucking niggas up. We had a sword battle. That's Tinkerbell and that's Roadkill.
Actually,
They
no.
broke a stick over my head. It was mad funny.
We were laughing at him. He thought we were laughing together. It was bad. We fucked him up. We've been tripping all night.
Yeah, you on triple feet?
No. Zycam.
Oh yeah.
That's what's going down.
That's happening. A whole bottle.
Hello, who are you?
I am Jen, and I look really bad in pictures.